When it comes to antifreeze protection for the pipework and the outdoor unit, there are two methods you can use: antifreeze valves or glycol. Antifreeze valves must be installed close to the outdoor unit on both the flow and return pipework and drain the hydronic circuit when its temperature drops below 3 degrees C. These valves must be installed in accordance with the relevant manufacturer's installation instructions. If using glycol for antifreeze protection, it's important to note you must be using a combined propylene glycol biocide and inhibitor to avoid mixing chemicals, and a fill and flush valve must also be installed when using glycol. As well as installing antifreeze protection, the pipework must be insulated using UV and moisture resistant insulation with a minimum wall thickness of 19 mm. All joints should be thoroughly sealed with UV protected material, including those entering the building through the wall fabric. Ensure the insulation covers all valves on the primary pipe sections, and appropriate pipework support should be installed over the insulation.